Peer-to-peer lending decoded. What is peer-to-peer lending? According to Forbes, peer-to-peer lending is a new method of debt financing that allows people to borrow and lend money without a financial institution. Harnessing technology and big data, peer-to-peer platforms connect borrowers to investors faster and cheaper than any bank. See www.forbes.com. Who are the bigger players in the peer-to-peer lending space? According to Forbes, the best-known peer-to-peer lenders are Prosper, Lending Club, Upstart, and Funding Circle. NerdWallet adds this additional peer-to-peer lender, StreetShares. See nerdwallet.com/blog/small-business/small-business-loans-peer-to-peer-lending. And how about StreetShares? Founded by veterans, StreetShares gives veterans special treatment. This includes an investment called Veteran Business Bonds. Minimum investment is $25. Return is 5% fixed. StreetShares invests in their own products. Basic qualifications are that you must be a U.S. citizen and be in business for at least 1 year, sometimes 6 months. You need to earn a minimum amount of revenue. The borrower must have a business guarantor with reasonable credit. Borrowers must provide the business owner's Social Security number, the company EIN, the amount of total outstanding business debts, the 6 most recent business bank statements, and the most recent personal and business federal tax returns. At times, StreetShares will also ask for financials, like a P&L and balance sheet. They perform a soft credit check only and offer 3 to 36-month term loans. StreetShare offers lines of credit from $2,000 to $100,000. Maximum loan amount is $100,000. There is no application fee. Let's recap. Peer-to-peer lending allows investors to lend out money. Lending platforms act as go-betweens. These platforms often grade borrowers to assess risk. They are responsible for collecting from borrowers. Sometimes they will pass the fallout from defaulted loans onto investors. The biggest and best-known players in this space are Prosper, Lending Club, Upstart, and StreetShares. Contact us today to learn more about peer-to-peer lending decoded.